Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, the styling, the bakery displays. And let's take a look at the overall size first. The overall length will be 28 inches. And the height will be 58 inches. Entirely depth will be 33 inches. As you can see, we're having two separate parts for the units. They have a curved glass on the top with two shelving display inside. And at the bottom, they're having LED lights right here. And let's take a measurement for this space. It's about like a 23.5 inches deep. And 25.5 inches wide. And we're looking down the units, we're having the stickers and we're having controller right here with the switches. And you can set the temperatures and they have a digital display on it. Now let's look at the back side for the units. When you look in the back side of the units, we have sliding door right here. And they have two layers using all stainless steel shelvings. I'll take the measurements for it. The top layer is about like 11 inches deep. And the bottom entirely about like 15 inches, almost 16 inches deep. And the unit's inner side will be 25.5 inches wide. As you can see, the back side we have stickers right here, the ETL sanitation approved right here, and the unit's cut sheets. And when you're looking down, they have a grill covers of the units. They come in with the 110 standard US plus right here, and the compressor setting at the bottom. That's all the information about the units, and if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.